Hey guys, it's Maymay and welcome to our stamp club reveal for the month of August 2023. Oh my goodness. It'll be December before you know it. I'll be saying December in no time. But for now, we're going to come out of the Christmas mode for just a second. I'm going to show you this stamp set. And here's the deal. You guys have been asking for this stamp set for the longest time. And when I say that, I mean like years. This is a stamp set that I have not done. And to be honest, now that I've done it, I'm kind of sad I haven't because I could have used it all through my kids' high school careers and I didn't. But you got to see this one. This one worked out really, really great. I cannot wait to show you. So, oh, wait, you thought I was going to flip it. No, why are you not in our club? I know. Are you not a member of our stamp club? All you got to do to join is click the link in the description below, head to our website at MaymayMadeIt.com and you can sign up there. And if you're even thinking about signing up, you want to sign up now before the end of the year because in 2024, the price is going up. But for today, you can sign up now through the end of the year at the original price or the regular price, which is $11.99 a month if you're in the US and $13.49 a month outside the US with no shipping added to that. That is just what you pay, $11.99, $13.49. And it's a new stamp set every month. It is never holiday specific. It may lean to a holiday or a season, but it's never holiday specific. And you also get a club member discount in our store. So anyway, check that out. All the information is in the description. All right, here we go. You ready for this one? This one is called On the Ball. Look how cute this stamp set is. What did I wait for so long? I don't even know. I love this. Now, here's what we did. We covered as many sports as we could in a small section. So you've got football, basketball, baseball, soccer, volleyball, and tennis. And what I did was I picked the ones that you guys have requested so much. Volleyball and soccer have been very requested. Now, what we did with sentiments was we made sure you could use it with everyone. Okay. So you've got you're a winner, play ball, you're an all-star, I'm your number one fan. Hooray, score. And then the number one here, and also all these beautiful kind of collegiate stars that I think are so pretty. Now, honestly, when I was working on this stamp set, I was a little bit like, I don't know what to do with this or what I'm going to do with it. Got to be honest, I think we could have made a lot more samples because we just had so many good ideas with it. And I can't wait to show you what we did do. But before I do, I want to show you the trick about this set. Okay. So we did something on purpose. And let me show you what that was. We made these balls the perfect size for your punches. Okay. Now you don't have to do that because you're going to get a free SVG with your stamp set. That's not a big deal. You'll have that. It's free. You can use it for all of your stuff. But let me show you. This basketball can be punched with a 2-inch punch. I thought if we're going to do it, let's make it easy for everybody, accessible for everybody. So if you have a punch, a 2-inch punch, look at that. The perfect little basketball, right? We'll put that guy right there. Then for the next one, actually the next two, which is the soccer ball and the volleyball, you just need the 1.5-inch punch. And by the way, we just got this size in the store. I thought we had it, but when we were designing this, I'm like, we don't have a 1.5-inch punch in the store. So we ordered it and we do have it in now. So if you're like me and you didn't have one in your collection, you can now pick one up. So now you got perfect little volleyball, perfect little soccer ball. And you guessed it, we're going to keep going. This next one is the baseball, and it uses the 1-inch size. So you just line that up and kind of center the image in the circle and punch. So there's the baseball. And the last one uses the 3/4 inch. It's the tennis ball. And so you'll just stick it inside of here. Wrap that around the circle like that. Oh, look, you just popped right up, just bounced up like a tennis ball. So there you go. That is super easy. I think that's a great way to be able to use the set. Let me show you the samples that we made for you. So the first sample I made is this one. I really love how this turned out. And I got to tell you, this little red ticket strip right here, it is so easy to make. What you do is you cut a red strip the width you want it to be, because I just made this ticket strip up myself, okay? So you cut it the width you want to be, and then you fold it into the sections, like accordion fold it, and use your stub punch on those folds. So when you punch on the fold and you open it up, you get this kind of like thumbprint in the middle there, or the stub impression. So easy to do. And if you want me to show you how to do that, just filming a short YouTube video to show you, I will do that. Just let me know in the comments you'd like to see that done. So that's how I made my tickets. Super easy. And then of course I just stamped all those images. This is our little baseball, the little You're an All-Star. And I gotta tell you something, I'm in love with this ink. You see the ink I used to distress with? That is Simon Hurley cookie dough. It is just the right color to be kind of heavily distressed without taking away from the imagery. I really like how that one turns out. So if you have cookie dough, try it for, or I mean, if you have cookie dough, cook it and eat it. But if you have the ink color cookie dough, try it for your stamping. I even used it in the background here. That's the cookie dough color stamped on craft. And I just think that's so pretty. Then on the inside, I did that. I thought that was kind of cute. Let me show you Shannon's. Y'all know, right? Can you picture in your mind what Shannon did with this set? Well, here, you don't have to guess anymore. Look how cute this is. I love this. She did all the little balls, except the tennis balls, only one. She put a star up here. So she's got all these little balls. And notice how she cut them off like they're coming in the page. And she used her favorite postage stamp die set in the back. And then on the inside, a little grass die with that football in it. I think that is super cute. All right, we got one more to show you. I wanted to do volleyball. So many of you guys asked me about volleyball, and we have a lot of volleyball players in our church. Look at this one. I put this little pennant, and this is all just cut by hand. I didn't have a die or a punch or anything. I just cut a couple triangles, stacked them up, cut these little strips of cardstock and stacked them up, made that super easy. And then I put it on a wobble. Let me show you where this net came from. You may not believe it. When I lay it side by side, you'll see it. This net came from right here. What I did was I cut my strip first, so I knew the size I wanted. And then I actually turned this stamp upside down. You can see here that I started with the darker edge at the top, and I stamped. Then I turned it again and stamped next to it. So you see how the dark went down, and then I turned it one more time and stamped next to it. So it kind of continues out. And I know it's not a perfect net, but you get the idea that that's a net, right? I was thinking we needed that. Not a net, the person, but a net you play volleyball with. And then just put a little volleyball on top. I love that. And on the inside, you're an all-star. I'm your number one fan. I love how these turned out. These were a lot of fun. Honestly, I think we could have kept going and kept going, but time did not permit. So that is our samples made with this month's stamp set, which is, let me pull it back over here, On the Ball. I love this set. Now, as always, if you would like to enter to win a $50 gift card to our store, all you have to do is make a project using this stamp set, share it to our customer gallery, and you will be entered. And I'm going to tell you something. The ideas are going to roll. Get it? Because it's a ball. I know. I'm sorry. All right, you guys. Thanks so much for being a part of our club. Thank you for being here today. And until next time, bye now.